20 feet tall. Flames out the rear, 60 feet long. It's the Super Shockwave.
There it comes. 20 feet tall. There it is.
Jeremy Fields ready to light up the night here at the Night of Fire. Bob Whitney, he's crew chief. Where's the tour vehicle away? Here's Jeremy Fields. How about it, man? Make some noise in here.
Yeah! Oh, look at that. Barbecue sign. Hey,
Jeremy,
there's some good fun back there.
That's the use of the match. How about it, man? Let him hear it. Yeah!
Gotta refuel. Gotta refuel. Gotta refuel. Like that.
Our designated drawer. That's what we like. Okay, reach in. First ticket for the cash. $2,035 in 073878. 073878 for all the cash.
073878.
You claim these prizes at the tower. We've got 4 additional secondary prizes. Our second prize is a $100 certificate.
Let's get our band played.
Our second prize is a $100 gift certificate, $100 off a tattoo from Avita Tattoos. Top secret Eastern Raider Rich Hanna. A world record holder here before you tonight. Thanks, Rich, for coming in. We appreciate it very much. Another great job here for Hanna Motorsports here tonight. Also, Casey Jones in for the Cannonball Express. Nice job here as well, Pat Kelly, Chattanooga Choo-Choo. Great job again, turned in from the team Steve. All right, our lucky number 128917. 128917 wins that $100 off a tattoo from Avena Tattoo at 891 Loudon Road in Lathrop. Our next prize is 2 all-you-can-eat buffets from the Hitchin Post, 5 miles east of the Speedway. That number is 073757. That's 073757 for 2 all-you-can-eat buffets from the Hitchin Post, 5 miles east of the Speedway. Our broad prize is a t-shirt and racing hat from Benjamin Moore Pete. That number is 128001. 128001 with the t-shirt and racing hat from Benjamin Moore Pete. And our 5th and final prize winner is...
Can you go with the boys?
A gift certificate from Classics.
Can you go with the boys?
Where do you gotta go?
They want to go
Classics
and
Barber Shop in Pittsfield,
Take the bag
Massachusetts.
with you. I'll be down in a minute.
And they've got a special deal that's a haircut
You guys
for
can
a
head down
month,
now.
thanks to
You wanna
Classics
do what?
Barber Shop.
Go ahead. Go
And by the way, if you go into Classics,
You get a...
you come and say that Rex the Bulldog sent you in to receive $1 off your haircut, thanks to Gary Parsley, owner and operator.
Bag here.
Our final
Take
winning
it with
number
you.
is 118529. That's 118529 for the haircut a month for the entire year from Pittsfield, Massachusetts. Barbershop Classics. They're at 308 Tyler Street across from Zen's Pub and Variety. Services including retro styling, barber shaves, tapers, and fades, and a free entrance to the next main event of Valley Speedway also included. Remember, they've got class at Classic Haircuts in Pittsfield, Massachusetts. That's it for our 50-50 raffle drawing overture. If you'd like to stick around, listen to the band a little bit, and Three-Finger Mordecai does his thing over here with fireworks on the point as we conclude this 2009 edition of the Light on Fire. Here's the Liberty Valley Driveway. I want to thank our sponsors, Hazel Lee Tractor and Equipment on Everett Road over there in Albany. Also, Joe Trinity GMC on US Route 7 in Powell, Vermont. And also Auto Park International of Albany on Industrial Park Road. Great supporters of racing here at Liberty Valley Driveway. We appreciate their support of the Light on Fire here in 2009. Again, fans, we thank you all for coming out. Have a safe ride home. We hope you enjoyed yourself in the Light on Fire. Pass the one along. And something you've got to see to believe. The most extreme motorsports vehicles in the world are here at the Night on Fire, and we've got them every year here.